Hey everyone, so this is my second time recording this because for some reason my camera would not upload the video. So hopefully it's going to work, but I'm going to be showing you how to use a curling iron to achieve beachy waves. So, and I got the Hot Tools 1 1/4 from Target, and I actually got a warranty on it for like 4 years, I think. This I researched a lot before I went and bought it. So, and it was around $46, but that was including with the warranty. So, I'm going to show you the products I'm going to be using to achieve this look. So, for my heat spray, I'm going to use the Mistine Essence Style Assistant Blow Dry Mist. Ultra lightweight, split and smoothing, shine insurance, cuts drying time, heat up to 450 degrees. So I'm not blow drying my hair because usually I take a shower at night and I wash my hair usually at night rather than the day. So I let it air dry during the night. So, but the girl from Ulta Beauty, when I bought this, said that I could use it before and after my hair was dry. Then I'm going in with this Mistine Essence Soft Shine Beach Wave Spray. I got this from Target. This is the best thing I've ever used. I just started using Mistine Essence products and I love them. So then after I'm all done, I'm gonna spray it with this finishing spray, Perfect Medium Spray, by Ken Ra. It's a medium hairspray. So, and then I'm gonna use this brush that I need to clean, and then a rubber band. So I'm gonna do it in sections, and I've not washed my hair. I got my hair done, and I got like toothpaste in my hair last week, and I haven't washed it yet. Probably in the next day or two. I usually go about a week after I get my hair dyed. So I'm going to start out with this Mistine Spray. So I'm just going to start spraying it. And it smells so good. I got this from Ulta Beauty. Same price as Target, $14. And I love it. I've actually haven't used it to curl my hair. So how I'm going to use this curling iron, so this is pretty big. It heats up to 430 degrees. You don't have to go that high. Like if you have thinner hair, like fine hair, you want to go way less. So I'm not going to curl. I'm going to leave some out. Then I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to do this little chunk, and then I'm going to time lapse it and come back and do the top layer, because the top layer, I'm sorry, can't even talk right. I am curling inwards. So a lot of people curl outwards on the top. So instead of just pulling, I'm going to try. Yeah. See? Left some out. Perfect. Now, you could just pull right out if you wanted to, just like I did. But you can also do it this way too. So I'm taking about an inch of hair, and I'm curling it. So, and I'm letting it heat up. I don't leave it in very long, maybe 15-20 seconds. If you have thicker hair, it's to your preference. So you can actually just bring it down and slowly pull it out. See how I just slowly do that? These are big curls today. So once this side is cool, I'm going to let it cool, and I'm going to put this spray on it. But it has to be all cool. It's a little too close to the scalp there. So, yeah, I did this video like perfectly the other day, and I think it was a little too long. So that's why it didn't let me do it. It kept saying it was expired, and yeah, it was like the weirdest thing. Like I had to delete a whole bunch of things and it still didn't work. So I lost some of my work. So, and there you go. See how I left the end out right there? So I'm gonna let it cool, and then pretty cool. So I'm going to use a little bit of that spray, pull it back. So now I'm going to time lapse this part of my hair so I don't make the video long. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 60. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this how to curl your hair to get beachy waves, you want to stay tuned for it. Please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so I'm back, and you can see in the time lapse that the first part like wasn't curling, but then I fixed it and it came back. So now I'm gonna do the top part, and I like to do these in sections. I need to brush that part out right there. So I'm gonna take some hair. I like to do it in sections, like I said. So sorry, I'm like talking to myself in the video. So this is all one side, and then this is the next side. So usually I start from the back here, but I'm gonna take what I have and spray some of the dry mist. It smells so good. Like, I just want to smell it, spray it all the time, because that's how good it is. So I'm taking about an inch of hair. Okay. I don't know if this is like the same one, but we'll see. Just a little bit. A little. Don't hold it so close to the scalp because you will burn it. I really I totally recommend Hot Tools, this curling iron especially. You could probably do it with a 1-inch one too, but I went a little bit bigger and I did 1 1/4 because that's what a lot of people that I've seen use, and my friend was like using one like it too. So just a little at a time. When I got my hair done the other day, last week, I had my friend who does my hair and I wasn't really watching, and she did it a different way, and so I had her show me, and it was amazing. But she is a hairstylist. Okay, this hair is so weird. Okay, I'm just gonna curl the little ones. See, if you do them little, they come out better too. So, I'm not holding it exactly to my scalp because I don't want to burn it. But also, this Hot Tools has an on and off switch. It goes up to 430 degrees. I have it on the highest heat thing it can go, I think, because my hair is a little bit thicker and a little bit coarse, but it is soft. So, pull it down a little bit. See, it's just like a rope that you're untying. Okay. And some people just put it like in the middle and hold it there and then they pull down. But you can do either way. But I like this way a lot better. So, I'm going to, I have a lot of hairs underneath that didn't know about. Here. So on this part, I'm just taking a little bit. So on this part, I'm curling inwards. I'm not curling outwards until I get to this part of the hair. Sorry, I was looking in the mirror. So I'm gonna hold this one a little bit longer because I added more hair into it. So let's see what it does. Not too much longer. Also, if you're just joining me for the first time, please like this video and please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I usually do makeup videos. I've been doing them for a long time, but I throw in hair videos too. And I do Synergens, which if you don't know what Synergens is, it is the best makeup and hair care and skincare around, and I will put a link down below, or you can follow me on my Instagram account because I do a lot more over there than I do here during the week. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. Probably gonna turn out really pretty. Look at that. It's like turning out amazing. Boom. Okay, so for this part of the hair, I should just spray that. I think, oh yeah, I'm totally missing that hair. So I'm going to curl this Well, this is like two weird hairs. Okay? Do the same thing and see how it comes out. I'm just lightly pulling it out. So it's like a twist. So I don't know if you can see that. Till I get to the bottom. And there we go. So I missed a hair. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing. Leave a little bit out. That one's more of a curl. I don't know why, because I left some of it out. So with this hair, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Pull it down, hold it there, pull it down, hold it there. So, so this is a hair that is growing. So I'm just gonna fix it a little bit so it's not weird. Okay? So about an inch of hair, and I'm gonna try to curl it outwards. So instead of going that way like I was, I'm gonna twist it this way. I don't know, it's a little weird for me because I'm just not used to curling it outwards, but we'll see. And then I think I'm going to time lapse this part because I don't want to mess up the video. Pull it down, hold it there, pull it down, hold it there. So when you get to the top layer, like all these, you have the option of curling inwards or outwards. So, but I'm just curling these inwards. If I was off camera and I was getting ready for the day, this probably take me like 10 minutes to do. It's just taking me a lot longer because I'm showing you guys and talking. But it's a very cute hairstyle. Pull it out. See, that one was quick and easy. Okay, and there is another trick. So if the ends are too straight for you and you have time to straighten the ends, this might be too little hair. Ooh, that's hot. I'm curling it. Oh, I should curl it outwards. Okay, outwards. Because I don't want it to mess up, and I don't want to get it close to my scalp, so I'm not going to hold it there very long. I didn't even make a real curl, but that's okay. Kind of curled. So I'm going to time lapse it again and come back for this little part, then spray it and show you guys the end result. I don't know. Okay, so I did not curl this part because this is new hair growth. And so I'm going to try to take it over. Yeah, see? There we go. So I'm gonna curl this big chunk. Not even gonna, well, I'm gonna do it in sections, 2 pieces. And then I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna curl inwards. I know I should curl outwards, but I don't normally curl inwards. Okay, this one I'm gonna try to curl outwards. Oh yeah, that works a lot better. Should have done it. Practice makes perfect, right? So. Okay, hold it, pull it down. Okay, last piece. So, oh, I think I curled that wrong. So, this is a piece I curled inwards. I'm gonna curl outwards because it didn't really get a curl. And I'm gonna hold it there for a little bit. And then I'm just going to go in with the beach spray and do one side because it's already cool. This wants to do its own thing. So, and one cool thing about this is, ouch, that's hot. Don't do that when it's on. I'm totally okay. So it's on a counter, but it has a little stand so you could prop it up. I should do a little tutorial on it, and I might do that, but I'm running out of time. So pretty much this is what it looks like in the front. Super pretty, and it doesn't take very much time at all. So what I'm going to do is spray it with the Kristen Essence Soft Shine Beach Wave Spray to give it some texture. And the cool thing about this hairstyle is it doesn't have to look perfect. It can look messy. So once that is dry, you're just kind of gonna go like this and run your fingers through it, and just gonna, voila, and there you have it. I should have left it how it was on that side, but it has a lot of texture and a lot of body. If you're looking for something with volume, I totally recommend this hairstyle. And if you try it out, please let me know. And if you've used this curling iron before, let me know how you like it in the comments down below. So you can go back in and fix up like pieces you need to, or you could take the straightener, if you have a straightener, and you can straighten the ends. I'm not gonna do that on camera because it's gonna take up more time. So now I'm gonna go in and do the back here. And now I'm going to use this Genra Perfect Medium Spray, hairspray. I got it off Amazon. This stuff is like amazing. So I'm just gonna spray, and there you go. So I'm going to finish up here, turn the curling iron off, and come back with the end result for you guys. So I'm back with the end result, and this is how it turned out. I have medium length hair, and I have a lot of body to my hair in general, and it's wavy, but you always see me in a ponytail, or it's straight, or in a messy bun, but I do straighten it. But this is how it turned out, and I will insert pictures. I will most definitely do a tutorial on the Hot Tools curling iron that I used in this video today. I am obsessed with it. I totally recommend it to anyone and everyone. It's like a 10 out of 10 for me. It's one of my go-tos a lot of times. I did do a few weeks ago off camera, I did this same look with a 1-inch curling iron that I had, and it was pretty old. It was like probably over 5-10 years old, and I thought it's time to invest. So I started researching, and that this one was like one of the best ones. And it wasn't too pricey, but it wasn't cheap. It was like in the middle. So, and they do have it on Amazon, but it's the same price at Target, and that's where I got mine. Plus, I got the warranty, so mine was a little bit more, but I think it's a 4-year warranty. So, I'll probably include that all in the tutorial, so stay tuned for that. But this is how it came out, and I love my hair with the highlights and how it flows and everything. Please like this video, and please hit the subscribe button before you leave, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video every single time. First come, first serve. And if you want to purchase any of the makeup that I'm wearing today in this video, just message me over on my Instagram account at redesign16. There's a link in my about. I would love to answer your questions, and also if you live in the US, I can give you 10% off all of the skincare, hair care, and makeup that we have at Synergens. So thanks for watching.